Welcome guys, welcome to my channel Engineering Travel, and today is not a travel video, it's an unboxing video. Unboxing of DJI Ronin SE. So it's basically a gimbal for mirrorless camera, so you can get nice footage. So I bought it yesterday from Best Buy, so we'll do the unboxing for it. Here, open this. Another cut it. Cut it. So. It comes in a nice case so that you won't damage while taking it anywhere in your bag. You can just a small case, so you can just carry like this, or you can just put into a backpack. So once you open it, you can find few, what you call, you can find few booklets about the Ronin. So just the paper works. Yes. You got cable in here, more cable like USB 2 to C. You can from camera to the gimbal. So it's a handle. This is the gimbal. So you have motor in this, it makes your video stabilized. So we have to assemble it, so then only it will be in proper shape. So this is basically a tripod setup. You can keep your gimbal anywhere, and it's like this. So you can keep your gimbal if you are going, and you can take the shots. So you need to screw it over here for this. So it is like this, and you can make a tripod. I will do one thing now. Yes. So after attaching it, you have a screw there. After attaching it, you need to lock this. Lock thoroughly so that it will not fall apart. So the setup is ready almost. You can use either this one, or you can detach it one. Okay, this like the way, and you have more accessories like for the lens, light and heavy, the support. And you have Allen keys to tighten, loosen the screws. And for all, this is a mobile holder, so you can also fix your mobile to this gimbal. Not only the mirrorless camera, but you can fix the mobile. But don't try to use with a heavier camera which is bigger lens. So this is not for the bigger camera, bigger DSLR or the heavier lenses. Okay, this is only for mirrorless camera. So it has got 2 kg of weight. So 2 kg maximum load you can load onto this gimbal. so it will work properly. If you load more than that, the motors will not function properly and you won't get a stabilized video. So apart from that, you have one more accessories. I don't know why it is used, but I'll tell you later. And there's one more small accessories. I don't know why it's used. I'll tell you later. Yes, you have one more connector from USB-C to micro USB. So you can use it for mobile if you are connecting the mobile here to fix it and control with their gimbal. So you can use this connector as well as. That's it. It's pretty much everything is over. You can see it's empty. So we'll detach it. So you have got all the control button over here. Either you can turn it, turn off, and let me check how to turn it on.